There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
Ouch.
The boss wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, Hamsu. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Nice one. Here's your payment. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. Rival Reimer's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, and we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all that blazing if you like. One of the guards saw you. Kill him before he sets off the alarm.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, climb to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out. Land on the damn helipad, you imbecile. Now, climb to our helipad. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Go to the payphones for more missions.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
The rival crime lord has given it to our ransom car. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and take the train. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. Turns a successful drug lord on a ship tipped in a bus easy to control. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, then consider the elevator units slow. Remember that the petrol tank is in the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of this as a test.
Thanks for the car.
As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye open for the cops. Head towards the payphone for another assignment.